Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about social media. So first, I want you to look at these pictures. What do you think about them? Please pause your video. So if you notice, all of these are memes about unfriended someone. We're going to discuss this in class. But now, let's think about this. Have you ever been unfriended? What happened? And how did you feel? Think about this so we can all share our experiences during class. Okay, now we're going to listen to two people talking about unfriended someone on social media. And we need to decide if these statements are true or false. So let's go ahead and listen.
Page 14, Lesson C. And why's that? 1. Conversation strategy. Finding out or checking information. B. Listen. What does Stan think about unfriending someone? How do you think Alexa feels about it?
I ran into Tammy today. She's really upset
Oh, yeah? And why's that?
because I unfriended her.
Oh, that's awkward. How did she find out?
I'm not sure, actually.
Huh. So, why did you unfriend her?
Well, it was nothing personal. It's just that every once in a while, when I'm updating my profile, I'll remove people if we haven't been in touch for some time.
But you emailed her, right? I mean, you let her know?
No, I didn't think she'd be offended.
So, you just delete people that you're not in touch with?
Yeah, it's no big deal.
So Tammy's happy is false. Stan unfriended her? True. Tammy was stalking Stan? False. Tammy sent a new friend request. This one is false. Stan didn't let Tammy know that he unfriended her. True. Very good. Now, what advice would you give Stan? Why? What do you think will happen? Think about this so we can all share our ideas. Now go back to your student book, page 14, please. Exercise B. You're going to read the conversation and underline all of the questions that Alexa asks. Pause your video, please. Okay, it's time to check. You should have found, oh yeah? And why is that? How did she find out? So why did you unfriend her? But you email her, right? I mean, you let her know. So you just delete people that you're not in touch with? Very good. Now, are these questions confirming information or are they asking for more or new information? For example, oh yeah? Here I am confirming information. Now pause your video and do the rest. Let's check. And why is that? Here, I'm asking for information. How did she find out? Once again, I'm asking for information. So why did you unfriend her? Asking for information. But you emailed her, right? Confirming. I mean, you let her know. Once again, I am confirming information. So you just delete people you're not in touch with? I'm confirming. Okay, let's see how this works. We can use statements or sentences to confirm information. How do we do this? Well, you can just add a question mark at the end, but you could also use a word such as yeah and right and then the question mark to make this a type of question where I just want to confirm the information. Or I can also have information questions that, as you know, usually start with a WH word or with how. Okay, let's continue. If you go to Student Book page 15, part 2, you will find the strategy plus. We can use the words and, but, and so to link back things to that the previous speaker said. It makes the conversation flow, and you can use them to to start the question that you want to ask, whether it is an information question or that you just want to confirm some information. Okay, great. Now please go to your student book page 14, exercise D. Here, you're going to complete the rest of Stan and Alexa's conversation with the questions in the box. We're going to listen and check during our class. So let's start. So, has anyone ever unfriended you? You mean taking me off their list? I don't think so. How do you think Alexa should respond? So, you think it's bad then? And it's okay when you stop dating? But you'd be fine if they did it? So, when is it okay, do you think? But why should I do about Tammy? If you're thinking you should use letter D, that's right. But you would be fine with it if they did? If they unfriended you? It wouldn't bother you? Pause your video and work on the rest. Excellent, guys. We're going to check this during class, okay? I'll see you then. Bye bye.